and welcome back to Skype Reiki with Suchika Rao. And today we thought we are going to give a complete picture about how anybody who's been watching these videos, we have come to the almost like today and tomorrow is the last day. We are completing the 21 days tomorrow of Skype Reiki. So we are offering Reiki courses for you, which are online. So we insist, we insist that in this coronavirus situation, the best thing that we can do is staying at home. We can heal ourselves, we can heal our children. So I want that Suchika Rao share more about what is it that she's going to offer. Suchika, can you just explain more about these courses?
Yes, good morning, Janvi, and good morning to everybody who's here. Good evening, sorry.
Good evening. Yeah. Yeah.
The thing is, there is good morning for people who are abroad,
Yeah.
and good evening for us.
Yes.
And I just wanted to tell everybody that because of this Reiki, I have realized that this chaos and this coronavirus has brought us an opportunity to become healers.
Yes.
And with Reiki, you can empower yourself to move ahead in life, and that we have been given this very good opportunity. Actually, with this further extension of another few days, I'm coming around with the package where I'll be having a level 1 and level 2 Reiki a package. I'll tell you more about it tomorrow. But the thing is, this package will be so that you can become a healer. Yes, you can practice. You'll have to practice for at least 15 to 21 days after that yourself. But you can do that course, and if you register now, you can easily do that course. And once you empower yourself, you will be able to not only heal yourself, but heal all your relatives and your if you are now, because of the coronavirus, you can't even go far. You can't even go out to the house sometimes.
Yes, absolutely.
So if you do the second level, you will be able to do distance Reiki. You can heal anybody in the wherever you are. So you will become complete empowered with those techniques. Yes, and it has helped. Let me just give you a brief about how it helped me, because although I got a very protected childhood and a very good child, but I had a lot of fears and I had a lot of apprehensions about my own growth and what all I could do. And I never thought, to begin with, I never thought I would be able to talk like this in front of y'all and bring this to you.
Yes. Yeah.
Janvi will know this, because although I'm very friendly, but I am a very private person too, because I may gel with people, but I am not very camera friendly. So even things like fears like this, I've been able to transcend, and these are small victories, and I've been able to heal myself. I had a throat block, I had fears, I had complications with health. They've all been sorted out over the years. Yes, it did take time, but I was able to, because I didn't have XYZ. I was not, although a very supportive family. Yes, I'm very thankful for a very supportive family, but this has made me completely open and I had the ability to heal myself, and I have evolved, and I have, because of Reiki, I have become completely healed. And I would like to share this course with everybody, and would urge everybody to learn this Reiki, because this has really helped me. And especially I'll be adding a package for parents, and so that where extra, besides the extra part to it. Yes.
That is nice, I mean, when children get the Reiki, I mean, parents become healers for children, and as well
Yes.
as they get an extra healing for themselves. You are offering
Yes.
something extra for them. That's important, right? I mean,
Yes.
parents are also going through a lot in this. We should not
Yes.
say only about the children. Parents definitely they have to manage their work as well as children at home and the housework added, because a lot Indian women
Yes,
are used
because
to
there's a lot of
having the
changes.
maids. Yes, yes,
A lot of changes. So
yeah,
this is what this is. Reiki can empower you with completely different. Uh, we have alternate methods of healing, and Reiki
yes,
is the holistic method of healing, which you can use. People say that we have got this opportunity, so please use it. Uh,
yes.
I would like to request if you have the time, can we have a Reiki session? Can I
Yes,
uh, pass
sure.
distance Reiki
See,
for everybody and for especially for the departed souls? Because
yes,
recently it has been a few days. Have a lot of uh, what to say, people who have left us.
hmm.
So I would
Yeah,
like to.
definitely. Let's do the Reiki, give Reiki for the ones who have passed away, um,
Yes,
either
because
through
yes,
coronavirus or just
because
had natural deaths. Yeah.
just close your eyes and in your minds, please thank Reiki. Thank all your gurus and guides in your mind. We take this opportunity for thanking Reiki to give comfort and strength to all those who are close to the departed souls. Give them strength to be able to handle their lives, to be able to lead life as best as they can. Heal their pain, give them strength, and give them all the energy to deal with the changing situation. When you're comfortable, you feel that you have channeled Reiki. Gently open your eyes.
Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Reiki Masters. Thank you, Suchika.
Thank you, Reiki. Thank you, Masters. Thank you, Janvi.
Thank you for that experience that you gave, and we gave Reiki at the end of our 21-day session. We have given to the departed souls as well, and for those families. Thank you so much for being such a you are giving away your services free for 21 days. Tomorrow is the last day that we are going to have Suchika on the show, Story to Satori show. And we are now kind of, it's a long time. 21 days is when the all chakras, 7 chakras, even our chakras would have kind of, it takes one chakra, it takes 3 days to cleanse. And even both our chakras and whoever was there looking and with us online, definitely their chakras also get cleansed. And this is our wish, to increase the consciousness in the world and increase the energy levels in the world, basically.
Yes, this is it is my mission. It is my purpose in life now to spread this healing.
Yes.
And I would like everybody to please join and learn, because this is the way. This, I thought, is a way ahead, a different way of looking at life and empowering oneself. Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yes. So thank you, Suchika, once again, and we are going to look forward to your last tomorrow, the day of 1 days. Yeah, I can't believe it too. So we are going to come up and we are going to close the 21 days of Reiki cleansing. So please leave your comments, and we are looking forward to your participation in the future programs. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I appreciate all your comments, because that is what keeps me going.
Yes.
I appreciate everybody who's been watching, and I thank Janvi a lot, because she has brought me to this stage. Thank you very much, Janvi.
Thank you, Suchika. I mean, it's like a collaboration, right? I mean, we are doing it together. So, in fact, that's what tomorrow we are going to talk more about the upcoming course that she has designed. She is designing in the process, and where she'll be helping parents as well. So, we are very eager to look forward to your tomorrow's, what you're going to share with us. Thank you for being a Story to Satori.
Thank you, Janvi. Yes.